Are you in US and sending money home to Kenya or anywhere in Africa? There is a lot of talk lately about taxes, IRS tracking, and even penalties. Let's clear it up with facts. Every year, millions of Africans abroad send money back home, but many don't know what the IRS actually tracks and what it doesn't. So before you panic, let's simplify what you need to know. Is sending money to Africa taxed? First, no. You don't pay US tax just because you're sending money home. The IRS does not tax personal remittances. But what matters is, where did the money come from? If it came from untaxed or hidden income, that is where issues begin. When can remittances be flagged? The IRS and US Treasury don't watch every transaction. But if you send over $10,000 in one go, it's automatically reported. Even smaller amounts sent frequently can trigger reviews, especially if they look like business payments, not family support. Source of funds is key. So let's be honest, if the money came from a regular job and you have filed your taxes, you are safe. But if you are spending money earned from side gigs, freelancing, or cash work and never reported it, now that is risky. The IRS may ask, where exactly did this money come from? Gift taxes are hidden trap. Now here is something most people don't know. If you send more than $18,000 to one person in a single year, the IRS considers that a gift and you may be required to file Form 709. This doesn't mean you will owe tax, but it does mean they want to know about it. Silence can lead to future problems. And what about your family back home? Good news, Kenya doesn't tax personal remittances. So your mom, brother, or grandma can receive money without paying KRA anything. But if they start receiving large amounts linked to a business or rental hustle, that is where KRA may get involved. Tips to stay safe. One peace of mind. Number one, always file your US tax returns even if you earn a small amount. Number two, keep proper records of all transfers. Number three, don't send business income under the label of family help. Mixing those two is what creates tax drama after. So let's recap. You won't be taxed just for sending money to Africa, but if the source of that money is shady or undeclared, that is when problems begin. Be honest, keep it clean, help your family, and stay off the IRS radar. Up next, we dive deep into the trending topic, the 1% tax on African payments. Is it real? Is it new? And is it coming for your money? Spoiler, it's not a remittance tax. But yes, some diaspora freelancers and business owners need to pay attention. Hit the subscribe button and don't fall for the social media part.